inside. 84 car. That is Jake Van Oske. Jake Van Oske out of Hartford, Wisconsin. He is outside in the 81 car from South Beloit. It's Dennis Smith Jr. 91 at the back of the field from Streeter, Illinois is Jeff Wakeman. 7 cars, 10 laps. First heat of the night for the Stanley Steamer NASCAR late models. Stafford gets the jump on Hramatka, takes the lead down the backstretch. Thomason in a second spot. Smith trying to fill the gap to the outside. DJ Smith quickly up to third. Smith third, trying to get to Thomason, who's trying to get to Stafford. Hramatka and the 84 car of Jake Van Oske go side by side. Thomason taking a peek for the lead off of 4. Stafford holds it for now. Smith to the bottom, dives quickly to the inside of Thomason. DJ Smith the second. Thomason really had to slow up. That allows Van Oske to take a shot. They touch in a corner and they all play on. Van Oske to third. Jake Van Oske to third. DJ Smith pulls it up on Stafford for the lead down the back straightaway. DJ Smith wants the lead. Fender to fender with Stafford out of turn 4. Back into the corner again, side by side, half a car length from the lead is Smith. Van Oske trying to charge on the lead. Oh, Beldowski caught the wall down the backstretch in 5th. Side by side for the lead at halfway. Side by side for the lead. Dennis Smith Jr. is halfway there. Stafford still up top. Van Oske in the mix down the 84. 4 laps to go. Look at this. Very, very close for the lead. Smith is there. He's good in a corner. Trying to finish the deal. 3 laps to go. He takes the lead. Now Van Oske wants second. Jake Van Oske on the way. He's second. He wants the lead. Top 5 all close to one another. 2 laps to go for Dennis Smith Jr. Van Oske's going to need a small slip out of the 81 to take a look at the lead. White flag coming this time by. 1 lap to go for DJ Smith. Van Oske closes a little, but he doesn't close enough. Checkered flag for Dennis Smith Jr. Spot goes to fearless Frank Beldowski in 61. 4th spot to the B103 of David Thomason. 3rd spot to 7, Jerry Stafford to 2nd. Runner-up to Jake Van Oske in the 84, and your winner, a Stanley Steamer NASCAR late model heat race number 1 at car number 81 out of South Beloit. Drives a Christofferson's Moving Race Car Help, M&W Grinding sponsored entry. How about a nice hand for Dennis Smith Jr.